At Ohio Power Tools Open House, we got an exclusive look at the newest addition to the MX Fuel lighting system, announcing the MX Fuel Rocket Dual Power Compact Tower Light Kit. Perfect for construction workers, electricians, and plumbers, this powerful yet compact tower light ensures you can work safely and efficiently, even in low light conditions. But don't take my word for it, here's what Milwaukee has to say.
Hey everyone, I'm Jordan Gates with Milwaukee Tool. This is the newest addition to the MX Fuel platform in our lighting solution lineup. This is the MX Fuel Compact Tower Light, kind of the little brother to the large Rocket Tower Light that has been out for a while now. Where we win with this one is it's obviously a little bit more compact, still has the capabilities to put out 15,000 lumens with 3 hours of runtime on high. Has the telescoping light that telescopes all the way down and folds in with 2 stabilizing legs that have the ability to fold up and down. You still have the ability to run it off the MX Fuel battery, but also plug it in and run it off of DC power as well. We are the only light on the market that has the dual capabilities to do both. A lot of feedback we got for transportation is the ability to store it and transport it easily, and we've incorporated PACKOUT into the bottom. So for the users that are already in our PACKOUT solutions, this light is a real winner to be able to snap into their current PACKOUT solutions or inside of service vehicles and transport it, get it in and out very easily.
Not only does this light put out 15,000 lumens, but it covers over 2,300 square feet and provides over 5 times more light than the M18 Rocket Dual Power Tower Light. It features an oversized carrying handle and is under 50 pounds, as well as IP56 rating for water and dust protection, making it capable for indoor and outdoor use. The included 1-key Bluetooth card gives you the ability to remove, replace, and update connectivity over the life of your machine. Set to be released this summer, keep a lookout for the launch day at ohiopowertool.com.
If you have any other questions, leave us a comment or give us a call or send us an email or write us a letter. Whatever you prefer, just get a hold of us and we'll help you out. If you're looking for even more content from us, subscribe to our channel or check out one of these videos here. Thank you for watching. Now get back to work.
Cut to the video.